Hey there! In this session, you will learn how to write questions and to actually ask them for an interview. Our underlying lessons are present perfect tense and past simple tense. Don't worry, I'll go easy on you. Now let me remind you that there are two basic types of questions. The first one is the yes-no questions and the second one is the WH questions. For yes-no question, we usually begin with verb to be, but can also begin with other auxiliary verbs such as do. And number two, we have the WH questions. They start with the question words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. We use this type of question when we want a different kinds of information. These questions cannot be answered with a yes or no, obviously. Let's see if you can arrange the questions correctly. Now let's proceed to the past simple tense and present perfect tense, how they differ to its use and form. Let's find out. Let's start with their form. For past simple tense, we have this form. Just add ed to all regular verbs. But for irregular verbs, you have to learn them by heart. Then we have the present perfect tense. And this is the form. Has or have plus past participle. We use the present perfect for an action in the past with the result now, or when we talk about a time from the past until now. Remember that. While we use past simple tense for something in the past which is completely finished. Remember that. Example for past simple tense. He played tennis yesterday. The action happened completely. How did we know that? Because of the time indicator yesterday. That's your biggest clue. For present perfect tense, example, I have lost my glasses. I can't find it now. For past simple tense, we use did to make questions and didn't for negative. The verb stays in the base form. Did you see Best yesterday? He didn't come to the party on Sunday. For present perfect tense, we use has or have plus subject plus past participle for questions. And we use hasn't or haven't plus past participle for negatives. For example, have you seen Best today? I haven't seen him. For negatives. Now it's your turn. Identify which tense is correct for each sentence. Present perfect or past simple. Good luck!